Let's start with our first topic, formation of the asteroid belt. The formation of the asteroid belt dates back to the early stages of our solar system, approximately 4.6 billion years ago. As the solar nebula began to condense, forming the Sun at its core, the gravitational forces of Jupiter prevented the formation of a planet in the region between Mars and Jupiter. The interplay between gravitational perturbations, known as orbital resonances, prevented the accretion of material into a single planetary body, and instead resulted in the formation of numerous smaller objects, giving rise to the asteroid belt we observe today. Moving on, we have the composition and characteristics. The asteroids in the belt come in a wide range of sizes, from tiny fragments to objects several hundred kilometers in diameter. While there are millions of asteroids in the belt, their total mass is relatively small compared to the Earth or even our Moon. The composition of these asteroids varies, but they are primarily composed of rocky and metallic materials, such as silicates, carbonaceous compounds, and metals like iron and nickel.